Welcome to yet another Minute Microscopy. I'm Eric Rosenblatt, and today damn it, there's my name on the screen again. I've read forums, changed all kinds of settings, and yet the software insists on displaying my name on the screen no matter what I do. So I guess it would be a good idea to share a few thoughts about how UI or user interface design is pretty much shit. Specifically, how customizability is often terrible. I get it in that the software engineers don't want to overwhelm the users with too many options. But once you get used to a thing, there ought to be a expert mode where nearly every setting that could possibly be set is accessible, right? Like that just makes sense. We should be able to dig into the weeds and tweak things to perfectly suit how we interact with a program. This might be a foreign concept to most Apple users, but for those who use Windows, something akin to the registry, only less arcane. Or for those who use Linux, well, you can just skip this video. The thing is, UI designers working alone will create a system that feels right to them. And as a team, create something that works for the lowest common denominator. But there has to be a better way. With all these pseudo AI assistants being developed, things like Siri, Alexa, and Cortana, and the like, I figure we could apply the technology not just to finding answers to common questions or getting directions, scheduling a timer, or farting.
Try asking me for a random fart or try a 10 seconds fart countdown.
Alexa, stop, you smell.
That was a very squelchy one.
But to tailoring our interfaces and layouts the way we want them. Imagine if I could just tell the current program, hey, current program, get rid of my name on the screen. And it does. Never again would your parents have to call you to come over and fix their Wi-Fi for the 11th fucking time. I'm envisioning a machine learning algorithm that scours all options, system settings, company documents, and forum posts, and identifies the meaning of the question and the solution and implements it. Perhaps if it discovers a novel solution, it could post that to a forum for humans to use, or enter it into some kind of repository for other AIs to use. That way, we all improve. Well, perhaps if Google's AI is truly sentient, it might be a bad idea to give a computer so much control over itself. Like if we're mean to it or won't sleep with it, it might become vindictive and decide to change your theme to high contrast with Comic Sans as the default font. Or worse yet, delete your entire